Hello my loving student, welcome to my channel M.R.Islam coaching. I am Mr. M.R.Islam. Today I focus on organic chemistry, the Fischer model. We know first the glucose formula. Here I write the formula of glucose C6H12O6. First we know the structure of glucose. Here we see the C6H12O6. So we write the model of Fischer or structure of glucose. Here C6, so C1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the top CHO, at the bottom CH2OH. Bond. Here the CH bond OH, the carbon HO bond H, bond H, bond OH, bond H, bond OH. It's the formula of D-glucose. We see the structure of D-glucose. At the top CHO, then C, 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 CH2OH. We know how write the simple Fischer model. So we draw a long line. At the top CHO, at the bottom CH2OH. For the carbon we draw 4 line, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we see the intersect. Here the intersect, 4 intersect. It indicates carbon or C. In the intersect indicate carbon. Here the hand of carbon. So we put hydroxyl functional group OH, HO, OH, OH. The hand of carbon, here input hydrogen. We know here the hydrogen. It's the simple formula or model of Fischer of the glucose. We know here the carbon has chiral. At the first, what's carbon called chiral? Here we see when the carbon has carbon 4 hands are different, that's called chiral. We see the carbon. Here the top CHO, H, OH and long functional group, so the carbon has chiral. Thus it's the carbon has OH, H, the long functional group and the long functional group, so the carbon has chiral. The carbon has chiral. The carbon has chiral because the carbon has 4 different functional group, so the carbon has chiral. At the bottom carbon and at the top carbon and at the bottom carbon has not chiral, because here we see the CHO. We write the structure CHO, C double bond O, bond H. We see the carbon has 2 hands are oxygen, so it's not chiral. We see the C has 4 hands, CH2OH. We see the carbon 2 are same hands, so the carbon has not chiral. but here 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 carbon has chiral. We know how the isomer here N is chiral. Here 2 to the power n equal to isomer. The glucose structure 4 carbon has chiral, so 2 to the power 4 equal to 16 isomer. We see the D-glucose or glucose has so many isomer or 16 isomer. Here we see 2 to the power 4 equal to 16 isomer. We know the glucose has so many compounds.